Hi, my name's French Toast Mafia. I'm going to do a mod review. I've got 2 mods I'm going to review, so let's get into it. First off was the first mod I ever got. It is a stingray. It's probably a little hard to see it. There's a little bit of a glare there. However, the first instance when you look at a stingray, it is actually upside down. So you have to flip it over this way to be able to read it. I don't know if you can read that. Let me get a little closer. And I got it because of this design right here. It's nice, portable, easy to hold. Bonus is it does have copper wiring. I find copper wiring to be the better conductor. A good thing about it, it is detachable up here. And I don't actually have the other piece with me, but you can add an extra piece, I guess, to make it a little longer, connect to, or you can make it shorter depending on what battery you have. Now, this button down here, let me get it off for you. It is a little one. See, it's got front, sides, and then it clicks. So, I mean, everything with it works. Now, I unscrewed this and I looked into it because I have an issue with it getting stuck. Not sure if it's in the normal stingrays, if it happens to a lot of them, but this one actually has 2 magnets in it. Normally they are spring-loaded, which I thought that might be the reason, you know, maybe like a rusty spring, need to replace it. No, so I'm not sure how that exactly works, but it is actually a really good mod. Now, for the top part, I got this little doodaddy. She's pretty nifty. It's a pyro. I don't know if you can see the symbol very well. This came with the top. It is Wildfire Customs, if anyone would like to look them up. So let me go ahead and start off with this one. So the Stingray, the benefits that I like is it's portable. It's tiny, you know, it's not bulky. I like that. I like the fact that I can do it with one hand and it just feels pretty natural, kind of like holding a pen if I needed to. You know, I just press this button, get a pretty good amount of smoke. The way I do, this is the inside, I do 2 coils, roughly about 6 wraps each, depending on really nothing. I just normally do 6. This one, the negatives I don't like. Of course, the button clicks, which can cause you to burn your coils. If you set it down, you have a tendency, it'll press the button and release smoke, which can burn your coils as well. So it does have this little piece right here that you can actually spin and it'll lock it, so you can set it down. But I mean, remembering to do that every time, it kind of gets a little frustrating. Now, this other mod I've been using, it is a Music City Mods. It's got the little button, and then of course magnetic backing. I put some tape in there because I had an issue where my batteries wouldn't stay very well. Now this is the inside. As you can see, that's where everything pretty much runs through. Pretty good device. Now if you flip the batteries and accidentally put them in there upside down, it'll catch on fire. At least that's what's happened every time with me because I'm accident prone. It doesn't have the copper up here, but it is really good. I like the fact that this one, you can set it down, you can lay it down, you can do virtually anything with it, and you're not going to hit this button unless you literally set it like this. Which, if you do, then I don't know what kind of way you want to sit things. The magnetics on the back, I find that really good because you can literally, any place that's magnet that'll stick. You just put it right up there and it stays. So when I'm at work sitting in my little cubicle, I just set it there. When I go out to break, I take it off. And it's pretty nifty. For me, the 2 batteries in it, it does last quite a while. I probably charge them for a full charge, and they last me anywhere from 2 to 3 days, and I don't smoke a whole lot. Now, I do like to take it out, get a couple puffs, and I do try smoke tricks. The fact that I have the door open and wind's blowing doesn't help me. That was the first trick I learned. It's called the dragon. Other than that, I like this one overall out of these 2. You can put almost any type of top on this and it fits, unless you got like a giant one, which you probably should get a giant mod. Now for the juice I've been using, I recently found this one. It is a Good Times. It's really good. This is from their drip line. It is Blue Sky. I do get a rather large one, 120 milliliters. Decent pricing. You'd have to actually go to their website, check out any other stuff they have. But you can get it out of Franklin if you live in Tennessee. It's got a real strong taste. A lot of ones I've tried, they're just kind of weak. And I don't like that. I like the flavor. I don't even like the nicotine. They don't have 0 nicotine, however, the lowest is 3, and that's the one that I've been using. It does actually dye your cotton, at least the blue one does. I thought that was pretty cool. First time my boyfriend brought it home, and his cotton was blue. I was like, whoa, how'd you get blue cotton? It was just this, which I was kind of disappointed, but when I tried it, it made up for it 20 times. It is amazing. That's it for today. Hopefully I will do some more reviews or just something out of the blue and maybe get some likes and hopefully you subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.